Blueberries. I always remember my friend's blueberry pie whenever I encounter this magical fruit. Canada is one of the largest exporters of blueberries. Dried or fresh blueberries are a favorite snack for me and also make for some wonderful purees, sauces and desserts. What is even better is that its antioxidants help fight cancer and help people with dementia, Alzheimer's and cognitive diseases. Blueberries have a lot of flavonoids and fiber in them, which greatly help insulin sensitivity. Its anti-inflammatory properties are even higher, and they contain anthocyanins, a wholesome antioxidant that strengthens one's heart and lowers blood fats. The fruit is quite versatile in its uses, and I love cooking with them. Who doesn't love a good chutney? I've got some wonderful ingredients from Canada, blueberries, and I'm going to be making a scrumptious blueberry chutney. 1 large red onion, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon sea salt, quarter cup sugar, quarter cup balsamic vinegar, quarter cup raisins, 1 cup blueberries, the rind of 2 lemons. To begin, I'm going to finely chop this onion and set it aside. Then I'm going to gently heat a pan and add fennel seeds to it. We need to lightly toast the fennel till it's slightly fragrant. Now let's add in the remaining spices: cumin powder, red chili flakes for that edge of spiciness, and ginger powder to give it some warmth. Add in some sea salt. Before the spices begin to burn, I am going to add the sugar. Give this a quick stir and add in the balsamic vinegar. This will keep the sugar from crystallizing when the chutney cools. Now add in the onion and bring this to a simmer. The onion balances the fruity berries with its herby flavor. The sugar and balsamic vinegar is simmering nicely. So let's add the raisins and the blueberries. Mix this well. Now let this simmer for a few seconds. I can smell the blueberries, so it's the perfect time to grate in the lemon rind. Take care not to grate the white bit, for that will turn the chutney bitter. The chutney has thickened nicely, so I'm going to transfer it to a clean, dry, sterilized glass jar and allow it to cool within the jar. So this vegan blueberry chutney is very healthy and full of nutrients. I love having the blueberry chutney with some crusty bread and some cream cheese, but you could have it with just about anything you like.